Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing my reviews about top 5 products from Amazon, and these are top rated products from Amazon. I have selected 5 products, so let's begin with today's video. So the first and the foremost product is from Bare Anatomy, and this is the Color Protect shampoo. Now this shampoo is being used by my mom, and she has been repurchasing this quite a lot of times. And yeah, she colors her hair, and this is the one which she is using, and this doesn't leave the hair shaft like dry, which is why she has repurchased it several times. Now most of the Bare Anatomy shampoos are good quality, and I have also personally repurchased multiple Bare Anatomy shampoos. Even all their hair care range I would say is perfect, and this is made up of 17 amino acid complex and quinoa protein, and it has sodium lauryl methyl isocyanate as the surfactant, and this retails for rupees 595, and I would absolutely recommend this product to all of you. Smells pretty well and can be used by people who have colored their hair, and this is quite affordable. So yeah, do try this out and let me know in the comment section if you have already used this product. Now the next product which I have is this 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on from Bodywise. This is also one of the top rated products from Bodywise. Now I have almost repurchased quite a lot of Bodywise products, but this is the first time I am using this. This comes in a roll-on. The smell is not so pleasing as the Chemist at Play, but this one also is okay and does its job pretty well, but it can be irritating at times because it has 1% salicylic acid, mandelic acid, alpha butene and lactic acid. So yeah, be careful while using it. Now the next product which I have is the Neutrogena retinol serum. Now this has also been used by my mom since like 2 to 3 years she has been using, or else I think 5 years. Yeah, more than 5 years she has been using it, and this is the most gentle retinol serum I would recommend to all of you. I have also used it in the past, but currently I'm not using it, but my mom uses it, and this is with antioxidant, and yeah, it has retinol but in very less percentage. So if you are beginner or if your skin is sensitive, now my mom reacted to this FCL AHA serum but didn't react to this one, so this one is of good quality and you can definitely try. Now the next product is this Neutrogena clear spot gel. Now this is 2.5% benzoyl peroxide and can be used on your spots. This I have actually purchased it from outside, but this is also available on Amazon at quite a high price. Now you can go for other affordable benzoyl peroxide in India, which is like Peroclean, which is available at quite reasonable price. Now this one is matte, and obviously it helps you get rid of your spots and acne on your like any part of your body, and it does work pretty well, does the job. But yeah, this is a bit expensive on Amazon. So that was the next product, and the final product which I have is the Neutrogena Rainbath this refreshing shower gel. Now I have used multiple bottles of this. This is very non-drying and this is soothing, and yeah, it comes in a big bottle, lasts for months, and you can definitely try using this. I absolutely love the smell of it, and it feels refreshing, and it is huge, so I can use it for a very long time, and that is why I prefer using it. And yeah, it is suitable for both the winter and summer time. So yeah, that was all about the 5 products I have reviewed in this video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.